Two-Way Direct has been a contender in the two-way radio industry since 2006. Supplying business and government with communication systems, we have become well-versed in all major brands as well as their product, down to the part number. We understand how they function as well as their quality, and we provide our customers with only the best. We also understand that investing in a two-way radio system can be very costly, and understanding which product is optimal for your application can be extremely tricky. This is why we are here to help, and this is why we have developed our own brand. From handheld radios to accessories, some of our most popular items come in the form of replacement earpieces, batteries, speaker mics, and chargers. Our customers often purchase major brand handhelds, but want to avoid the heavy cost of replacing parts after investing in such expensive systems. Fortunately for them, our TWD accessories were, in fact, developed to be compatible with these major brand products. A fraction of the cost and with comparable quality in life, TWD accessories have proven themselves worthy and even preferred by customers. For more information on our Two-Way Direct brand products, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or request a quote, and we will get back to you.